Okay, and the water, what's in?
4 pounds of
inside the
beef
water?
roast.
It's gonna have a
Taking
little bit of
out
spices. It's gonna
the
have
fat.
garlic. It's gonna have, okay, Marcita, you can throw it in. It's gonna have a consomme, pepper, and then later it's gonna get the spices.
Okay, but right now, no más.
Right now we're gonna add, here, Marcita.
You haven't added nothing?
No, not yet.
Okay.
No, siempre eso es para allá,
Half pot of water.
When you open it, go like this, because that burns. Mira, see?
Half pot of water.
Let sit for 2 hours on medium heat.
Consomme and the garlic,
Okay.
just to cook the meat. This onion in it.
Como la mitad, ¿no?
Add a whole onion
Yeah.
cut in half.
You can cut it in half and add the half. I already have this one, so it's gonna go like that. And then you're gonna fill it over here, so you can spill here. You can drop everything here. Fill it. Oh.
Add about 2 tablespoons of garlic powder.
Okay, we have another one. Throw it in.
¿Eso qué es? Garlic?
Garlic powder. No, not garlic salt. Garlic powder. This is about probably 2 tablespoons. More or less. Or a tablespoon and a
Add
half.
2 tablespoons of chicken flavor.
Cover it.
You don't even mix it?
Yeah, okay. I do it with a knife. With whatever. Just mix it. And then you're gonna cook it for 2 hours.
2 hours.
2 hours. Or depending on how tender it gets, if it gets tender an hour and 45 minutes, it can be ready. Or 2 hours or past 2 hours, but usually it's gonna be done by 2 hours. Right now you put it a little high, then you're gonna lower it. Okay? Because we added the meat, so it has to boil, and then we're gonna lower the and chile pasilla.
Boil tomato
Chile
and
pasilla.
chile pasilla for about 30 minutes until
That's the
soft.
chile pasilla.
Okay.
It's very dark, and then she's gonna cook it. We'll put it on the.
Separately?
Yes.
For how
Gonna
long?
cook it for about half an hour, probably. Depends on how.
Sin spices? Nomás solo?
Yeah.
Just with the water?
Just.
Okay.
We're gonna add the garlic, fresh garlic in the blender. With right now, leave it like that, and then you're gonna lower it.
Okay. Cuando estés lista, me
Add
dices.
the garlic. That's the first thing. All of it. Then with this fork, you're gonna get the chiles and put all the chiles and everything in it. Not the caldito. Just put everything in it. All of it.
And not the caldito.
Not yet.
Nuts.
Not yet.
What's that water?
I'd rather have a spoon or something.
No, you can have a spoon.
Like the ones that go through with the little hole. No.
Porque tiene un hoyo.
They're like the spatula ones.
Oh.
So I can get these. I don't know right here.
Oh, you need this tissue?
Sí, madre.
Yes.
Okay.
And that's pretty much it.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. gonna cut them.
What are these called?
Those are hoja de laurel.
What?
De laurel.
Orel.
Laurel.
Laurel leaves
Laurel.
are called bay
Hoja de laurel.
leaves in English.
Okay.
Hoja de laurel.
¿Cuántas hojas?
About three.
Three.
Let me see. Yeah. Put a little bit of this. A little bit, not because it already has some. So a little bit, not too much.
Okay, give me a spoon.
No, just
I'm scared.
Churrito.
It depends, okay? If it gets stuck, then you add a little bit more. Then you're gonna add a little bit of this. Yeah, about, let's see, one tablespoon. Is that a tablespoon?
I don't know.
Looks like it.
Just
Add a tablespoon of chicken flavor.
About 1 tablespoon of that. And a teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon, not too full.
Should I go like this?
Sí, sale.
Así, no?
Yeah. Now put the top, the lid.
Okay.
And then go straight to smoothie?
Can you connect it?
Oh. Okay. And then go
Turn it on.
to which one? Extra?
First. That's joking. And then go to the next
And the third one? ¿Qué pasó? An empty one? For who?
For your mom.
You think someone stole it?
So go to the other one.
This one? Wait, is it leaking? No, it's leaking.
Okay.
Mira.
That's alright. It's because we didn't put it right, probably.
It's a lot though.
Taste it. Taste it.
That's perfect.
Taste it. Pepino.
What the hell?
Oh my gosh, it's
Wow,
so
how'd
good.
you do that?
Oh, it's ready. It's so good.
Oh, look. Oh, never mind. It's not that.
Yep.
Our chile for our barbacoa.
Wow, it's beef roast or whatever.
See? Wait, Pepe.
This is the meat for the barbacoa. Beef roast.
Trozo de 10 mil.
¿Cuánto era?
¿Cómo cuánto era?
Right here was 4 pounds. See,
4 pounds?
3.5 because I took a lot of fat.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, I turned it
We're cutting the, it's already tender. So we're gonna take a little bit out of the
Take big
crust,
chunks
and we're gonna
of
add
beef and cut them into smaller
we're
pieces.
gonna add the chile, okay? And it's gonna be ready.
You're gonna cut them like in pieces?
Yeah. It's ready. Okay. We're just taking out.
So ahorita no tienen nada más que ya le echaste, ¿verdad?
We're just taking our caldito, bro. And we're gonna eat the chile. We don't want it too watery. We want it,
Oh, okay.
you know. We're gonna add the chile. That's gonna be the taste.
With that broth, can you make other tortillas mojadas?
Oh yes. Okay, I'm gonna add the chile now, okay? Okay, here it comes. Here comes the taste for the barbacoa.
So it's been sitting there for how long?
2 hours. At 4, it's gonna be 2 hours. It's 1 hour, 45 minutes. 2 hours, no, 1:45 right now. Yeah. So, this is our barbacoa. It's ready. It's ready. This is your barbacoa. This is barbacoa. Wow.
So it's done.
It's done.
You're gonna leave it in there for?
Yes, yes. I'm gonna heat it up because the chile was already not that hot. So, yes. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Oh.
Yummy.
Mercy. Delicious. Try it. It's hot.
It's super hot.
I know.
Oh my god.
Very good. Very, very good.
Super tender.
Yes. It's ready. Nomás que se caliente. And we're done.
That's it.
Ready. The beans. Moving on. And we have frijoles de la olla.